Hello and welcome back to EngVibes. In today's video, we will be connecting two words that have the same meaning, two words that have different meanings, and two words that make up logical pairs. So the first one is connecting words to make up logical pairs. We highlight it as usual. Connecting words in order to make up logical pairs. This is the first thing we are going to do in today's video. So let's move to the list. We have shop, online, discount, round the clock, chemists, and gift. Again, shop, online, discount, round the clock, chemists, and gift. The other side we have low priced, 24/7, drugstore, virtual, present, and store. By the way, 24/7 means 24 hours, 7 days. It means non-stop, literally non-stop. The first is shop, store, otherwise. So shop is connected to store. Online, low price, virtual. Online or virtual. Discount means low priced. Round the clock, it means non-stop. It means 24/7, 24 hours, 7 days, non-stop. Chemists, or we can call it the drugstore. Left one, gift, which is present. Cool. Let's see. Shop, store, online, virtual, discount, low price, round the clock, 24/7, chemists or drugstore, gift, present. So this is the first list. Chemists, that is another name. Can you give it to me? Chemist or drugstore, or you find out. Number 2, what you can buy from where? Shops and different products. What you can buy and from where? Different places, different products. Ready? Let's go. So, we have paper shop, drugstore, florists, jewelers, greengrocers, and butchers. So these are different shops, different places with different products. Let's move to the products. Magazine, flowers, vegetables, meat, medicine, and earrings. Paper shop. What we can buy from there, it's a magazine. Drugstore. We don't buy meat, we buy medicine. Florists. We don't buy vegetables, we buy flowers. Jewelers. We don't buy vegetables, we buy earrings. Greengrocers. We buy vegetables. And butchers, we buy some meat and chicken. So, paper shop, magazine, drugstore, medicine, florist, flowers, paper shop, or there is another name, okay? Jewelers, earrings, greengrocers, vegetables, and butchers, meat. Apostrophe S, apostrophe S, apostrophe S. Guys, tell me in the comments why we put apostrophe S. Okay? The third one and the last one is words and their opposites. Antonyms. Words that have different meaning. All right, get ready. And here is the list. Spend, discount, buy, crowded, open. Spend, discount, buy, crowded, open. Sell, empty, closed, full price, and earn. Sell, empty, closed, full price, and earn. Here we are dealing with the opposite, remember? So spend, what's the opposite of spend? Which means outcome. The other one means income, which is earn. Very good. Earn, it means income. Spend means outcome. Discount, full priced. Buy, sell. Crowded is the opposite of empty. Well done. The last one is open, and its opposite is closed. Great job, guys. Spend, earn, discount, full price, buy, sell, crowded, empty, open, closed. And there you go. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment and subscribe if you're new to our channel. If you have any suggestions, any comments, kindly leave them in the comment box below and we will get back to you very soon. So till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with EngVibes. See ya. Take care. Bye bye.